Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Parichay, sample question paper, model question paper. We will continue the previous video. So this we have seen in the past 3 YouTube videos about the sample question paper for Parichay exam. Now we will go to the 12th question of the Parichay question paper. You have to mark dot or Chandra Bindu for the Hindi words given. Put the mark Chandra Bindu or dash and dot. Now we will go to the first question. Yaha. Yaha is given. So in the above we have to put Chandra Bindu. Like Chandra you put and keep a dot about it. That's Chandra Bindu. So Yaha means here. So it is Chandra Bindu. Second question is Ladkiya. Ya is given. Again for this we have to put a Chandra and one dot on it. That is ladkiyan, girls, plural, girls, ladkiyan. Third question, dono. Dono is given, we have to keep a dot near no. Dono means both or two people. That is dono. So we have to keep a dot. That is the answer for the third question. Fourth one, behne. Behne is given. So we have to just keep a dot near ne. Behne, plural. That is sisters. Behne means sisters, more than one, plural. So we have to keep a dot near ne. So above the line near ne you keep a dot. That is the answer for the fourth question. Fifth question, tada is given. We have to keep a dot above the line. That is thanda. Thanda means cold. So we drink juices. So all that must be cold. Only cold juices everybody prefer. So that's just an example. Cold is the word. Cool. Tanda, cool. Tanda. We have to keep a dot. That is the answer for the fifth question. Now we go to the 13th part of the question paper. Join the point and write. So we have to write the point. What they have given? They have given some words and that they are mentioning to other letter. Each letter is given and that again they are matching to another letter. We have to combine both the letter and form a word. First one kha. Kha and na is joined. So we have to write khana. Khana means to eat. Khana is the first answer. Khana. Second one la and na is given. So lana. Lana to bring. Second word answer is lana. Third one pad is to study and na is combined. So padana. Padana is to study. Padana. Third one lik plus na is given. Likhna. Likhna is to write. That is the answer for the fourth one. So first one is khana to eat. Lana. Second one to bring. Third one padana. Padna is to study. Fifth one likhna. Likhna is to write. Now we go to the next part of the question of the Parichay question paper, 14th question. So they have given some question. Write the answer in a single line. So they have given the question. We have to write the answer in one line for the questions. So we have studied these questions in each of the lessons. So these questions they are asking from the Parichay lessons. First question. राधा को कौवा पसंद है या तोता? So first you understand the question. See, I have given the playlist in my channel for Parichay. So you have the lessons of the Parichay. I have explained and clearly given the meaning of the words in for each of the lessons. Then sample papers. Go through the playlist, Parichay exam playlist. So you will be able to understand the lessons of Parichay exam lessons. Okay. Now we'll go to the question. First one, राधा को कौवा पसंद है या तोता? So what is the question saying? Radha is a person. Whether Radha likes, कौवा means crow, पसंद means like, तोता means parrot. So whether Radha likes crow or parrot, that is the question. So we know that Radha likes parrot. So that we are going to give the answer in one line. राधा को तोता पसंद है. राधा को तोता पसंद है. Radha likes parrot. That is the answer for the first question. राधा को तोता पसंद है. Second question. बगीचे के बीच में क्या है? बगीचे means what? Garden. We studied about garden in one of the lesson, Parichay lesson. So in garden, beach means between. In between the garden. In the middle of the garden, what is there? Kya means what? What is there in the middle of the garden? That is the question given. बगीचे के बीच में क्या है? So answer for this is, in between the garden we have a fountain. For fountain we say फव्वारा in Hindi. So now we will form the sentence. बगीचे के बीच में फव्वारा है. बगीचे के बीच में फव्वारा है. That is the answer for the second question. Third question. भारत की राजधानी क्या है? So भारत की राजधानी means capital of India. भारत means India. So capital of India. राजधानी means capital. Capital of India. क्या means what? So what is the capital of India? That is the question given. We know that the capital of India is New Delhi. That we are going to write now. भारत की राजधानी नई दिल्ली है. For New Delhi we say नई दिल्ली in Hindi. भारत की राजधानी नई दिल्ली है. Capital of India is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. भारत की राजधानी नई दिल्ली है. That is the answer for the third question. Fourth question. हम आंखों से क्या करते हैं? आंख means eyes. हम means we. So what do we do with our eyes? That is the question. हम आंखों से क्या करते हैं? What do we do? We see with our eyes. See means what? देखना. So we are going to form the answer now. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. We see with our eyes. That is the answer for the fourth question. हम आंखों से देखते हैं. Fifth question. कौन मंत्रिमंडल का प्रधान होता है? Who is the primary person of the cabinet ministers? That is the question. So who is the primary member? Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the prime minister of the cabinet ministers. So that is the answer. How do we form the answer? Pradhan Mantri मंत्रिमंडल का प्रधान होता है. That प्रधानमंत्री मंत्रिमंडल का प्रधान होता है. So Prime Minister is the important or the prime person of the cabinet ministers. That is the answer for the fifth question. प्रधानमंत्री मंत्रिमंडल का प्रधान होता है. Next, sixth question. गांव के बाल बच्चे कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? गांव means village. बाल बच्चे children. So where does the children of village study? Where do they study? That is the question given. Where do they study? They study in school. School means पाठशाला we say. So गांव के बाल बच्चे पाठशाला में पढ़ते हैं. The children of the village study in the school. So that is the answer. गांव के बाल बच्चे पाठशाला में पढ़ते हैं. That is the answer for the sixth question. Seventh question. किराने की दुकान में क्या क्या मिलते हैं? So what do we get in grocery shop? That is the question given. So what all we get? We get rice, we get wheat, we get dal, we get tamarind, we get salt, we get oil. So with this we are going to write in Hindi. किराने की दुकान में चावल, राइस, गेहूं, व्हीट, दाल, इमली, टैमरिन, नमक, salt, तेल means oil. So all this we get. किराने की दुकान में चावल, गेहूं, दाल, इमली, नमक, तेल आदि चीजें मिलती हैं. This is the answer for the seventh question. Eighth question. कौवा कैसा है? कौवा means crow. कैसा means how. How is the crow? That is given. कौवा कैसा है? So what is the color of the crow? Black. Black means we say काला in Hindi. कौवा काला है. Crow is black. So how is the crow they have given? We are going to write crow is black. कौवा काला है. That is the answer for the eighth question. कौवा काला है. Ninth question. शेखर किसके साथ चिड़ियाघर जाएगा? शेखर is a child. So किसके साथ? With whom? साथ means whom. किसके साथ? With whom? चिड़ियाघर जू जाएगा will go. So with whom will Shekhar go to zoo? That is the question given. So we know that he will go with his father. Father means we say पिताजी in Hindi. So शेखर पिताजी के साथ चिड़ियाघर जाएगा. शेखर will go with father to zoo. That is the answer. शेखर पिताजी के साथ चिड़ियाघर जाएगा. When we are writing these answers, we will find most of the words in the question itself. So without mistake, we can write the words by seeing the question. So in this case, शेखर पिताजी के साथ चिड़ियाघर जाएगा. Only पिताजी spelling you have to write. Other things are there in the question itself. Similarly for other questions, if you see one or two words only you will be writing. So we have to write without any mistake. शेखर पिताजी के साथ चिड़ियाघर चलेगा. That is the answer for the ninth question. 10th question. हमारे कितने कान है? How many ears do we have? हमारे means we, कितने means how many, कान means ears. How many ears do we have? That is the question given. So we know we have only 2 years. We have 2 years. That is what we are going to write now. हमारे दो कान है. दो means 2. So other words are there in the question itself. So we have to write the answer without any mistake. हमारे दो कान है. We have 2 years. So that is the answer for the 10th question. हमारे दो कान हैं. And dot will come because दो is plural. 2 is plural more than 1. हमारे दो कान हैं. That is the answer for the 10th question. Now we go to the 15th part of the question paper. Parichaya exam. 15th part. So we have to translate the given Hindi sentences to our regional language or English. So translate the sentences to English. First one, मैं राम हूँ. मैं means I am. Ram means a person name. So the answer is I am Ram. मैं राम हूँ. I am Ram. That is the answer for the first question. Second question. तुम कहाँ हो? तुम means you. कहाँ means where. हो. तुम कहाँ हो? So where are you? That is the answer for the second question. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? That is the answer for the second question. Third one. आप मंदिर में हैं. आप means you with respect. Mandir means temple. May means in. So you are in temple. आप मंदिर में हैं. You are in temple. आप मंदिर में हैं. You are in temple is the answer for the third question. Fourth question. कुत्ता दूध पी रहा है. कुत्ता means dog. दूध means milk. पीना is to drink. So पी रहा means continuous sense. Drinking will come. So dog is drinking milk. कुत्ता दूध पी रहा है. Dog is drinking milk. कुत्ता दूध पी रहा है. Dog is drinking milk. That is the answer for the fourth question. Fifth question. मैं बोला. मैं means I. बोला. बोला is to tell. So bola told. It is past tense. I told. I said. We can write both the things. मैं बोला. I told. I said. That is the answer for the fifth question. So we have completely in 4 videos discussed all the sample question papers, the pattern. So you can understand the question first and then answer them. Then we can write the answers without any mistake and score better marks. Hope you all understood. Thank you.